Sectioning. Section A. Tracing slightly curved lines. Isolate a front triangle joining mid-left eyebrow arch, 2 cm left of the vertex and the end of the right eyebrow arch. Section B and Section D. Trace 2 lines from the corners of Section A, making a point 2 cm left of the occipital bone. Section C. Trace the lines from the vertex of the Section A towards the right mastoid. Section E. Isolate the left sideburn. On the right side, isolate a section 2 cm wide between the corners of Section A and the ear juncture. Section D. Define the perimeters by point cutting the hair to mid-neck. Now, making vertical subsections perpendicular to growth, point cuts the entire section, high grade. Section B. There's some small implementation made for Asian market. Some of our clients are having flat occipital bone. To increase volume, make vertical subsections perpendicular to growth, point cuts the entire section with medium high grade. Section C. Having the last subsection cut in Section B as a reference. Make vertical subsections perpendicular to growth and point cut medium-high grade. Section A. Make horizontal subsections, perpendicular to growth. Cut to the length found at the vertex. Cut the remaining section stationary guide to the last subsection you cut, keeping your fingers parallel to the head. Now comb the entire section to the right side of the crown, and cut stationary guide to the length of the section C, above the mastoid. Cut using the chipping cut technique and keep your fingers parallel to the head. Section E. Refine and customize the proposal with the dry cutting and freehand techniques.
Uptown.
Thinning should be done customized to each different personnel depending on the hair type, hair quality, hair density, face shape, and personal preferences.